Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Study Lecture. Today is important question about statistics GK. देखिए first question, insulin was discovered by, the right answer Benting. Important question, Edward Jenner, smallpox vaccine. Next, Waxman, streptomycin and several other antibiotics. Next question, which component is mainly responsible for doing calculation in the computer? The right answer ALU, that is arithmetic logic unit. Next question, NRI day is marked on January 9. Next question, study of drugs and their action is known as a pharmacology. Next question, what is the name given to the outermost planetoid discovered recently in the solar system? Right answer Sedna. Next question, the book Genera Plantarum was written by Linnaeus. Next question, the novel When the River Sleeps is written by Kira. Next question, DTP stands for Desktop Publishing. Next question, a computer executes programs in the sequence of fetch, decode and execute. Next question, who wrote Indica? The right answer Megasthenes. Next question, who is the author of Interpreter of Maladies? The right answer Jhumpa Lahiri. Next question, the most advanced form of read-only memory, that is ROM, is FFPROM. Next question, out of the following artists, who has written the book Maddening Pastures of Memories? The right answer Shobhan Narayan. Next question, Teachers' Day celebration on every year on 5th September. Important question, 15th September we celebrate International Day of Democracy. Last question, all forms of PROM are also known as Firmware. ROM stands for Read Only Memory.